Most men start losing desire after 30, not because they're getting old, but because their body chemistry is quietly changing. The good news is you can switch it back on naturally. By the time you hit 30, your testosterone drops about 1% every year. Combine that with late nights, high stress, processed food, and zero sunlight, and your body starts running on low-power mode. You're not broken, you're just out of balance. Men who sleep less than 6 hours lose up to 15% of their testosterone within a week. That's one of the fastest natural killers of desire. Refined sugar spikes insulin, which suppresses testosterone. Beer adds estrogen from hops' bad combo. Cortisol, the stress hormone, blocks testosterone production. Your brain literally shuts down desire when it thinks you're in danger, even if that danger is just your job or phone. Here is how you can fix it naturally. 1. Lift heavy, not long. Short, intense strength training boosts testosterone better than long cardio sessions. 2. Get 20 minutes of morning sunlight. Vitamin D acts like a hormone booster. It signals your body to start producing more testosterone. 3. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, no excuses. Deep sleep is when your body releases growth and sex hormones. Miss that, and no supplement can save you. 4. Eat fats, not fear them. Olive oil, eggs, and nuts give your body the cholesterol it needs to make testosterone. 5. Cut the constant dopamine hits. Too much screen time or stimulation desensitizes your reward system. Real life starts to feel dull. Unplug daily. You don't need pills or miracle drinks. Fix your sleep, stress, sunlight, and training, and in 10 days, you'll notice your drive, energy, and focus return. Follow Human Code for more science-based fixes that actually work.